So one very popular questions, jumping from the nutrition to the brain development, the negative exposure to the brain development. A lot of questions these days about the screen time. And there's always this question, is there a safe screen time? Is completely harmful? We do need the parents need the screen time for their sanity. We kids don't need it, but we need it because we can't be
Yeah,
with them 24/7 and living in US, raising kids by yourself without though it's always
yeah,
hard. So we always
yeah.
need a break, give them an hour, 2 hours of screen time. Is there a safe screen time? And if there is a safe screen time, what do you recommend? What do you do for your kids? Watching TV is okay, PlayStation, iPad, just listening to some music on what can we do?
Ahmed, this is an excellent question. And I really like your point that even when we want to relax, our relaxation is watching either YouTube, Facebook, or watching TV. Even my wife get mad. I haven't even seen my drama yet today. You know how busy I
You need
am?
a daily dose
I'm
of
very busy. so, so about screen, I think this is also a generational shift. So just because when we were little, there were no tablets, there were no cell phones, it doesn't mean they are bad. So since we then because we all of a sudden we start comparing our kids with ourselves that you are so bad, you watch iPad all the time. Look at
yeah.
me. When I was little, I never watched iPad because they did not exist back then.
Our parents
So,
couldn't probably afford it either.
yeah.
Yeah, we hardly
So
bought a bike at 12, 10 years old.
that's true.
Yeah.
So it is not inherently bad, what I think. So
Mm,
it's just like excess of everything is bad. And as a parent, if you keep a very good control on the content on the screen, then I think it should be fine. The other thing, do not associate the mistake which we do as an adult. Sometimes we associate it with food. There are some kids who just say they need a iPad in front of them when they eat. So what's the bad aspect of that? As a result, there is no family dinner time anymore. There is no family
yeah.
breakfast time anymore because we all are pretty busy. And one of the bonding factors which bring families together
Yeah.
is the food. I remember my grandmother, she was a source of union between the all family members. And what was her specialty? She would cook food and then she would call all of us, and all of us would come on a dining table and we would eat together. And that's how our family developed. So this habit I would like, if you, as a parent, if you can somehow take that away from kids. The other thing, some of the content on tablets is really good, it's
Mm.
really helpful. But what kind of content is bad?